Ready to dive into the ultimate fan experience with your favorite artists, all from the comfort of your PC? First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Weverse website. You can usually find it by searching for Weverse in it. Look for the prominent sign up button, typically located in the top right corner of the page, and click it to begin the registration process. You'll be presented with several sign-up options for PC users. Signing up with your email address is a straightforward method. Enter your valid email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong, unique password for your account and confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation box. Choose a fun and memorable nickname. This is how you'll be identified within the Weverse community, so make it count. Carefully read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the boxes next to each to proceed. This ensures you understand Weverse's guidelines. Once all fields are filled and you've agreed to the terms, click the final sign up button to submit your registration. You might receive a verification email. Check your inbox and follow any instructions within the email to confirm your account, and just like that, you're officially a Weverse member. Now, you can explore exclusive artist content, connect with fellow fans in vibrant communities, and engage directly with the artists you adore, all from your computer screen. Happy exploring on Weverse.